Hey friends, this is Liana, and Liana wears this beautiful signature pink hair, but it has been a hot minute since she has gotten them roots done. So we need to attack those roots, and they're a little bit large for my liking. So we kind of have this little problem going on. So stay tuned to see how I attack this hair. Hey guys, welcome to Hair Toots, raw, real, and diverse hair education. I help hairstylists become better hairstylists. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Elyse Rox. How are you guys today? So here is our deal today. So we are doing Liana's hair, and we are using Big 9 and Trionics Higher and Higher. And I'm using these little papers there by Product Club. Now they don't come like this. I make them like this. And I have one of those machines that you had when you were a little kid in art class, and you hack. They had the big hacky arm on there. And so I like these better than end papers because end papers become like boogers. And I certainly do not like cotton because I do not like wet cotton. It grosses me out. So Liana also told me that her front pieces do not lift well. So I did the underneath first, and then I skipped right to the front and did her front pieces. Now, these roots are a little bit big for my liking, and usually I would do these zone 2, zone 1. But here's the thing, guys. They weren't that big. So I opted for saturation. So I am just going to saturate the heck out of zone 2, and then I am going to lightly saturate zone 1. So saturation is the key to a lot of things. So I am just going to go ahead and I am going to put these little papers in between each section, and I'm going to leave a bit of a gap as well so the root can breathe and the inside the zone 2 will kind of get heated up in those papers. So that's my goal, and it worked. But here's the next thing. This application took me an hour and 15 minutes to put on. Would it have taken me any shorter to do it the other way? Nope. It would have taken me an hour to put it on the other way. So potato, patata, you just got to be careful. Her hair's really dark. So overlapping, as you can see, I got a little blub on there, and I had to wipe it off because the last thing you want to do is overlap this. I have a wet towel sitting next to me at all times. So I do not like to have cross contamination. I will go both ways on the hair just to make sure that I got that perfect little spot. As you can see, I go the opposite way right there along her line of demarcation, and I just place the little papers there, and then I take my next section with my rat tail comb, not even my tint comb, because I want that thing so perfect in my hands. And as you can see, I do one side, and then I will flip it over. I walk it with my fingers, and I place it the other way, and then I place the piece of paper. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, this is something that I will babysit the entire time. And this is also something that I charge for per hour. And the reason I charge for per hour, and I move fast, guys. I am not a dilly-dallier. I don't mess around. So we get crazy here. So she's processed. It looks great. We stopped oxidation with Malibu C Deox. And then we give her Olaplex number 2. We shampoo it. I trim the ends if I need to. No conditioner. And then we proceed with her color. So don't ask me what I put in here. I do think this is funk hue. Most of it is funk hue. I might have added a little bit of fuchsia in here because funk hues, rose or pink, is a very bright, like a highlighter. Now, there is no reason to remove that color on the ends. It's going to come out beautiful. She did want some dimensional pieces in there, so I did go in and add some fuchsia pieces as well, and just a panel throughout her hair just to make it fun. And I do comb these through. I love this wide tooth pink comb, and that is a comb by Dreamcatchers. Actually, I've had it forever. I actually just got another one because I just took their extension class, and guys, I love this comb because it's really separated and it's great for combing through the saturation. So I will take big sections, but then I split them in half. So this is all the same color, but as you can see, I'm going with a little bit of a deeper fuchsia color here, and I work my brush back and forth, back and forth, back and forth as I work it down the head. and I just go down, 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 and I work it, and I go in between my fingers, and I mush it through, and then I'm going to bring my comb, and I'm going to comb it through the ends of the hair, and I work it through. And guys, remember, I do speed this up for your viewing pleasure, because guys, watching this in like real time is just like way too boring. So this whole process did take me about 4 or 5 hours, and I do charge $125 an hour, because I'm sure you guys were going to ask. Now, my expertise are at $125 an hour, because I've been doing this for 30 years. So guys, charge your worth, but are you worth what you charge? Are you a hairstylist who spends hours on social media but can't seem to find the consistency for yourself, and you have no idea what the hell to post? Would you like a shortcut to the long process of content creation for social media? I got you covered with my creative content calendar. Not only will you get the creative content, but you will also get the monthly marketing tips, the scheduling planner, and the self-care tips. Get your hands on my very first freebie of the year. DM me, CCC, or comment down below to get your copy of the Creative Content Calendar. Thanks, guys, and Happy New Year! So just remember that I just don't pick a number out of the air. This is what I need to make money in my business, and that to pay my bills and to pay my assistant and all the things in the world. So I have a system for that. And if you want to learn more about that, don't forget to check out some of the links in the bio, in the description, not the bio, the description, about my LifeStylist coaching, which is an amazing class that is going to be launching at the end of February. And guys, don't forget, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget that all the links are down there as well in the description about all my places you can follow me and learn more. So guys, here is Liana's before, those big old roots. They were large and in charge. They came out great though, guys. Wait for the after. Here it comes. It came out beautiful. Here it is. Guys, look at this pink. It is absolutely amazing. Liana felt so amazing that she was back in her signature pink hair. You can see those little fuchsia pieces that I left in there. I did style her with Olaplex 6 and 7. I did use my Babyless iron to give her these soft, beachy waves. I just used a couple drops of number 7 to brush it out. Guys, again, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Guys, and if you love and enjoy this video, don't forget to check out this one right here. Guys, the subscribe button's right here. And guys, don't always forget to hit the ding dong. Guys, we love you, and thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.